on this number today, you will be receiving a $100 gift card which you can use for your shopping at Walmart,
Hot
Target,
dog.
Home Depot, Best Buy, and many other stores.
All right.
And apart from this $100, you will be also receiving an additional $50 of Walmart gift card which you can use for your shopping at Walmart. And this all will be shipped at your mailing address in the next 3 business days, and it will be validated under your name. Okay?
Yeah, yeah. I'll send it right to my store that I own. Right? I mean, that's where I want to send it to, my store. I give you the
May I
address.
know
That's
your address that you want me
okay.
to give you
You
gift card?
address it. You address it to Cooters. Cooters. That's Cooters. That's my nickname, but the store is called Cooters. Cooters Discount
No, I need your
Grocery.
address.
Hold on, I got to tell you the name. I'll get the address in a second. Cooters Discount Grocery, Bait and Tackle, Bar and Grill, Barbecue, Tractor and Tire Repair. At 16 Maple Drive, Spartanburg, South Carolina. That's not Maple Drive.
It's Maple Drive, right?
Maple. Maple.
M-A-P-L-E?
Well, I said Maple, but it's Maple. Maple. Not maple like the tree would be Maple, but this is Mapale. Maple. That's somebody's
What is
name.
the zip code?
29306. Doesn't spend that $100 anywhere. Could I even spend it at my own store? Buy my own product and run it through my machine or something? Don't matter.
No, so you can use it. You can use it at any of your stores like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Best Buy.
That sounds good.
Yes. Uh, your zip code, you told me it's 29306, right?
Yes, that's Spartanburg. Spartanburg. That's Cooters Discount Bait and Bar and Tackle Barbecue Tractor and Tire Repair. Well,
Yes, sir. I'm not able to.
you can't find Spartanburg, South Carolina. Hell, we only been a city for 195 years or maybe
Yeah,
200
but the
years.
zip code.
29306.
Sorry, 29302.
Well, you know what? We did have some changes, but I thought that was area codes. It's been 29306 or 29303. We got 3 zip codes in Spartanburg: 29303, 29306, and 29303 something. I can't remember that one. But I know 29306 has always worked for me. Everything comes right to my doorstep right here at my store. Right here at Cooters. Discount Groceries, Barbecue, Bait and Tackle, Tractor and Tire Repair.
Okay, no problem. I'll put it 29306. Okay.
I to get here. I mean, it's going to come. The mailmen, they know where my store's at. They bring parcels here every day. I'm got a shipment of worms coming today.
And for the activation of the $100 gift card, sir, all you need to take care is a one-time activation and shipping. That's $3.95. What you need to pay.
Check's in the mail.
Man,
No problem. I'll send you a check right now for $3.95.
No, sir. You need to pay through any of your plastic cards like a Visa or Master.
Goodness. To get my that means I'm going to be out 90 something. I'm only going to be really only getting $96 or so. If it was free for $100, if I got to pay for an activation fee, I'm losing money.
No, you will be receiving $100 plus a $50 Walmart gift card as well.
Yeah, I'm getting $100, but you're charging me $3 to get that $100. That's $97 minus a little bit. I run a store. I can do my arithmetic, and that's in the negative. I don't understand. I don't understand.
As I told you, the $3.95 is the one-time activation and shipping. That
Yeah. What'd you say your name was?
My name is Mark.
Mark, okay, Mark. That's it's nice to meet you, Mark. You've been a good salesman. I'm gonna give you high marks on the survey later. But I got to ask you something, Mark. Are you a married man?
No, sir.
You don't have any children?
I'm not married.
Well, that don't mean you can't have children. I mean, I got 10 or 12
Yeah, I
now.
understand.
I'm not married to their mamas. I live up here in the hills. I got 10 or 12 youngins, probably more I don't even know about. There's all kind of little cooters running around up here. But anyway, what I was going to ask you is this. Are you a charitable man? Do you give to the poor and such as that, like I do? Help somebody that's in need?
Sometimes, not every time.
Sometimes. That's good. That's good that
Yeah,
you'd
I
help.
don't earn that much, sometimes it's very tough, sir.
Yeah, I know it is. Somebody begging in the street wants something, but what leading to say like the children in the neighborhood and things they need clothing or whatnot, you'd give to them, I'm sure. Which you're a charitable man, you would give to the children. Which brings me to my point here, Mark. My granddaughter is raising money for her Bible school. Hello, Mark. I'm just gonna hit you up for $1 or $2.